I'm now standing ground level. The hill on our property is approximately maybe 20, 26 feet high. It's a gradual grade, so it's fairly easy to walk up. You can kind of see a little bit better the height of it when I go pan over to where the hill is not. Let me see if I can position myself the right way to show. See how high it is compared to the flat areas of the property? And this is one of the primary areas where the trespassers are on a regular basis. They go up behind the hill and then sneak up on the hill and watch, and also operate their drones and things, trespassing on my property from off of this hill, which is right on the other side of our trailers and things. And our vehicle's already positioned itself over there tonight, and this is what they do. But I know they're there.